miraculous sand, where the cyber-chicked camels roam, where the poetry gleams with pretentious extremes, and a glass-plated burge is home, where my brothers and cousins control every throne. We don't build, we just buy every cloud in the sky to fuel our monarchical machine. When the fleets from the west come to blow up the rest, just look up at the sky. Habibi, come to Dubai, to another Arabian lie. Arabian lies, Arabian dreams. We bought the World Cup and the best football teams to bolster our schemes. Arabian lies, meet Arabian dunes, a brand new Islam where we sanction the bomb to the tune of our family spoons. We gave oil to the powers, built glittering towers, and mimicked the European style. We gave swords to old Trump, now we're stuck in a slump while we fake a luxurious smile. We were meant to be hubs for the new AI tech, but investors took off on the run, 'cause the missiles flew past and that peace didn't last, and Dubai is a joke in the sun. Now the oil doesn't sell and it's all gone to hell. Should we pay off Iran on the sly? Watch our safety and care vanish poof in the air. Just another Arabian lie. Arabian lies, Arabian dreams. The night is aglow with the missiles' red beams. How brightly it gleams. Arabian lies, a new tourist tour. Come watch the debris for a nominal fee. Since our oil isn't selling no more. Since our oil isn't selling no more.